In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall a game from BlueStacks. By the end, you will have one less game taking up space, and BlueStacks will feel a bit cleaner and easier to use. To begin, open BlueStacks 5 on your computer. Give it a moment to load if it has just been launched. You will know it is fully open when you see the main BlueStacks window with your apps or games laid out as icons, usually in the center, and a sidebar with extra tools on the right edge. If BlueStacks was already running, make sure its window is active on your screen so you can interact with it. Now that BlueStacks is open, find the game you want to remove. Look through the main home screen where your installed games appear as large icons with their names underneath. If you have several pages of apps, check the page indicators near the bottom and click through until you see the right game. Some beginners look for the game inside the Play Store first, but for uninstalling inside BlueStacks, it is faster to use the icon on the home screen. Take a second to confirm the game name so you do not remove the wrong one. Once you have located that game icon, right-click the game icon. On Windows, that means pressing the right mouse button while your pointer is on top of the game. When you do this correctly, a small context menu appears directly next to the icon. This menu usually includes options such as uninstall and maybe a few others depending on the game. If nothing appears, check that the BlueStacks window is not in full tablet mode and that you are not holding the left button instead. Move the mouse slightly and try again until the context menu pops up. With that menu visible, click Uninstall. This tells BlueStacks you want to remove that specific game from your virtual Android environment. After you click it, BlueStacks immediately opens a confirmation box in the center of the screen. The box usually shows the game name and asks if you are sure you want to uninstall it. This step prevents you from removing a game by accident with a stray click. At this point, the game icon is still visible behind the pop-up, so nothing has been removed yet. After that prompt appears, click OK to confirm. As soon as you click OK, BlueStacks starts uninstalling the game. The confirmation box disappears, and within a moment the game icon vanishes from your BlueStacks home screen. There is no separate save button here. The removal is applied right away. If you still see the icon, wait a second or click anywhere on the home screen to refresh, and it should be gone. So now you have successfully uninstalled a game from BlueStacks 5, freeing up some space and tidying your app list. If this helped you clean up your BlueStacks games, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple BlueStacks tips.